I would like to thank to Kohan Textile Journey to accepting to make this interview. It's a great opportunity to show our ideas about the fair and about the things that we do in Iran. I am Mehmet Kacmaz. I am a textile engineer. I started my education in Gaziantep University. After 2 years, I moved to Poland and I graduated from the coloration of textiles in Polytechnic in Poland. Then I turned back to Turkey. I worked as a dye house manager for 7 years in Turkey, and then another 7 years for marketing of dyes and chemicals that use in textile industry. For the last 1 year, I have my own business and I am making consultant issues and I am making education and classes for textile in Iran, in Russia, and in Egypt. Especially in Iran, we start at the beginning of the year. Our first 2 classes was about dyeing clothes for wearing industry, I mean the clothes. And then another 2 for carpet industry. Mainly we talk about dyeing of polyester, viscose, cotton, acrylic and wool. I really appreciate to the people in industry in Iran to involving these classes and let us to share our knowledge. Let us share our experiences, and it was a great opportunity to make some brainstorming. What I saw during my education and my customer visits, I believe in the past it was good, but during time I realized that Iran is not following the new technologies and is really somehow far from new processes, new technologies, new method of dyeing. I think it's because of the sanction. But you have Turkey, which is the center of textile now in the world, in many business, in cloth industry, in carpet, in the yarn dyeing. They have improved themselves by the knowledge of Germans, Italians, and Americans. They have learned a lot from them. So I think it will be great if we can make some cooperation with Iranian and Turkish companies to share our knowledge, to share our experience, and how we can do our business in a better way, in more economic way, in a faster way, and with much more quality. So my purpose is to catch the technologies from all over the world, from USA, from Germany, from Belgium, from Italy, where and what is new in the world. And with these classes that ITEMA organized, to share with the textile industry in Iran. And I believe it will work to catch the opportunities that what is new and how we can do our business in a better way. The first year already finished with 4 classes, but they will not end. According to the needs of the market, there will be more classes and more specific issues. We will have an opportunity to talk in details. And with the customer visits, which is really important, I have opportunity to see what exactly they are doing and how we can do it better. What I saw in Iran, especially in the laboratories, there are some lack of machines. There should be more modern established lab to have better production in the bulk production, because you get all the things first in the lab. So we have to organize our lab and establish our lab in a better way. Then we can move to production. We shouldn't make trials in production. We should do in the lab, then we should go with the correct recipes and the correct process to the production. And what I saw in the production, the biggest difference between Turkey is the automation. More than 80% of the companies in Turkey move to do the things with automation systems. And I believe in Iran it should be the same too. And I also believe that during time they will see the efficiency of these automation systems and they will reduce the faults caused by people, because the automation, if you give the correct information to the system, it will give you the correct result. So you will eliminate the faults coming from the people, and how problems comes from not following things. These automation systems also helps you to have a data about your production. You are not, you don't have to ask people how you do it. The system will tell you, this job has been done in this way. So you can follow up. And after some months, you will have a lot of information from the system. Then you can separate your faults. You can say that, okay, in this I'm good, in this I should be better, and this is urgency. Most of the problem coming from here. So please, first solve this one. It will help you to open your ways. Other case, you are blind. You need the knowledge of your workers, and they should tell the correct thing that they do. Sometimes they forget what they do a month ago. But you have an automation system and you have the recorded information. Everything is under your control. Okay, it's about the dye stuff itself. There are limited range of dye stuffs in Iran, as I observe. So if you have, for example, a red which is not bright, you cannot make the bright reds. So you should know which red is good to have a bright red. So which violet is good to get a really bright violet shades, and from which recipe you can get the correct shade of color. So I think in this case, why Turkish company has spectrophotometers, which I didn't saw in Iran, but in Turkey it's a must. You should have a spectrophotometer to give you the correct recipe with the correct metamerism index and with the perfect match with your original. So let's think about it. You are working with a customer in America and you are dyeing in Turkey. So how you can send the sample to the customer to say that it is okay or no? That's why we have devices decide for us, and we can get the correct recipe from them. But it takes time, I know that. First of all, there should be something else in the labs in Iran, and then slowly I believe that they have to use, they should be familiar with these spectrophotometers too. They will help a lot to get the correct recipe. Now people decide, but if you have a machine decide your recipe, you are faster and you are better. So that's why I think it's a lack of machines. I believe it's a nice exhibition for the first time. There are visitors from 93 countries, and there are a lot of carpet makers from Iran, from Ukraine, from Turkey, and from Uzbekistan, and from some other countries. And the state already supporting this exhibition too much, and I believe in the future it will be one of the biggest exhibition for carpet, because Turkey is very powerful already, is the center of carpet now as a mass production, and Iran is our neighbor, is our brother country, so they are strong too, you are strong too. So with a good collaboration and with a good relation, I believe that this carpet exhibition will have a really good impact on all over the world, and many people will come to see what we are doing. We will not go to see what they are doing. I believe it is not. I'm originally Turkish people, and I am helping Iranians. We are making classes, we are sharing our knowledge, we are doing great things together. Competition is good. If there is no competition, there is no improvement. So it's really good that we have Gaziantep and you have Kashan. Honestly speaking, you are more old in the history and in the design. But Turkey now, I think, is better to be faster, to have more modern technologies, modern machines and automation. That's why I believe during time, Iran was here, Turkey was here, but now it's opposite. Iran is still here, but Turkey is here. on the mass production. And competition, as I say, it's good, but it should be helping each other. You know, we should find a way between our organization, our carpet organization, and Iran's carpet organization. They should make something together to have a bigger impact, you know, bigger effect on the industry. If we do that, we will be the center. If not, Egyptians are coming, Uzbeks are coming, even some Europeans, Belgians still involved in this industry, and they are really good machine producer from the past. So competition is good, but till somewhere. Okay, some cases you should use your, think about your friend too. You should grow together. We should find a way how to grow together, because world is enough for both of the countries. We should grow together and we should help each other to grow together. I wish there were more Iranian companies here, but for the first time, I know that there is even not enough space for Turkish companies. So there is an idea for the next year. They will have a bigger place. Maybe they will use TÜYAP too. There is another place for exhibitions. And I believe that there will be more Iranian and more Turkish companies in the exhibition. And another thing, I wish that Iranian carpets also organize some educations or some meetings here. They didn't do that. It will have impact. It will show you to the world. You know, you could, they could organize, for example, meeting how to marketing, global marketing, or how to use computer design carpets, or how to get the effect of digital printing on the carpets, which is Turkey doing a lot now. But I think it was because of the first time. But for the next exhibition, I believe that it will be good to organize such a meetings and such a to show the people that innovative things, what's going on in the world now. As you see that Turkish ones did a lot. There are a lot meetings, a lot of educations about some different topics, different issues. But Iranis are really strong, but they didn't organize such a thing. It would be good if they do it.